Tessa Bayside is marketed as an online fashion boutique, offering stylish clothing and accessories at attractive prices. The website features polished product photos and frequent discounts. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, many online boutiques legitimately sell fashionable clothing at competitive prices. A lesser-known retailer isn't automatically unreliable. What it does well: trendy fashion selection. The store offers a variety of dresses, tops, knitwear, outerwear, and everyday wardrobe essentials. Attractive pricing. Frequent promotions and sales can make many products appear to offer good value. Where the hype falls apart: product quality may vary. The materials, stitching, and overall finish may not always match the expectations created by the product photos. Sizing can be inconsistent. Like many online boutiques, sizing may differ between products, so checking the size chart is important. Shipping and returns deserve attention. Before ordering, review the shipping times, return policy, and any return shipping costs. So, should you buy from Tessa Bayside? Short answer, maybe, but do your research first. If you like the clothing and understand the store's policies, it may be worth considering. But don't rely solely on the marketing photos or heavily discounted prices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.